My favorite sandwich, make it Vietnamese, please. It's crunchy, it's fresh, it's savory. I just love this too. They love the crunch of the baguette, the savory tofu inside, and the refreshing cucumbers. I'll show you my mom's recipe for quick pickles and my go-to eggless Maggi mayonnaise. This is so creamy, you'd want to eat all your vegetables with it. There are 5 components in a good banh mi. First, the pickles. Classic Vietnamese pickles are made with carrot and daikon radishes. I like to use a julienne peeler, it saves so much time. Shred the veggies over a salad spinner and then sprinkle some salt on them. This draws out excess water and takes away that sharp, raw daikon taste. After 5 minutes, you'll notice a little pool of liquid at the bottom of the strainer. Toss it. Now rinse your veggies well with some water and drain them very well. Use the spinner to help you. To make the pickling liquid, add sugar, salt, and vinegar. Stir it to make the sugar dissolve. Add the julienne vegetables, and here I like to use a little bit of chili. Tip: I like to freeze my chili so that I always have in the freezer ready to go. Give it a good toss, close the lid, and put it in the fridge. The second component in the Vietnamese sandwich is the savory protein. Here I'm using firm tofu. Cut it into cubes and make sure to dry it well with a towel. Turn on your burner to medium-high heat, and when the pan is hot, drizzle some oil. Place the tofu inside. The key here is to make sure that you are not overcrowding. After 2 minutes, you will see that the tofu will turn golden. To flip it to the other side and drizzle in some Maggi. This will caramelize and make this tofu so savory and delicious. The third component is the baguette. Traditional banh mi baguette are soft and airy, but I prefer a French baguette instead. The baguette's crunchy crust and chewy center can stand up to all the saucy goodness and tangy pickles. It keeps every bite crisp instead of soggy. Here I reheated some baguettes I baked a few weeks back and froze. They come out just as crisp and fresh once warmed up. Le secret dans la sauce. The secret is in the sauce. It's definitely the case here. In the blender, add a clove of garlic, cold whole milk. Blend until foamy, then add lemon juice and salt. And slowly drizzle in some neutral oil while the blender is still turning. Look at this creamy texture. This recipe is by David Late. Add some Maggi to your mayonnaise and check this out. It is amazing. Now it's time for the assembly. Spread some mayonnaise. Add the tofu. The fifth component is some fresh vegetables. Here I have thin strips of cucumbers. I've done this by using a vegetable peeler. Add the pickled vegetables. Make sure to leave the pickling liquid behind. Add some cilantro and jalapeno slices and you are done. And there you have it, a banh mi. Who would have thought that this was so easy to make? Now you can make it from the comfort of your own kitchen. And if you're looking for more kid-friendly, healthy, and fast recipes, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I release a new recipe every week. Now that you know the formula to make a Vietnamese sandwich, what are you putting in yours? Share it in the comment below. Bon appétit!